To learn. Let's choose something. Play.
Pick an adventure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numberblocks. 6, 7, 8.
Caves. Tap now. Add number blocks to make 6.
3, 2, 1.
That's right.
3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. I am 6 in the mix.
Take number blocks away from 8 to leave 3.
3, 2,
You got it.
8 minus
3 minus 2 equals 3.
Yes. I think 3 might need 1's help to get past that wall.
Yeah.
2 by 2.
Tap here. Add number blocks to make 9.
7, 1, 1.
Correct.
7 plus 1 plus 1 equals
9.
Well done. I'm not so sure 4 is going to fit through there. You made it. Share the number blocks evenly to make 2 groups of 4.
2, 2, 2, 1, 1.
You solved it.
2 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
4 equals 4. I am 4. Have we met before?
Good job.
Blockzilla!
It's Blockzilla. Tap to play. Find a smaller number.
Blockzilla! 5.
You solved it.
5 is less than 7.
Can you open the treasure chest by tracing the number 6? That's right. Well done. You found the treasure. Try another adventure next. Select level. Pick an adventure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number blocks. 6, 7.
Play.
Extraordinary scenes here in Alphaland. The vowels A, E, I, O and U are getting ready for an exciting race. Tap the vowel you want to race. Great choice. Choose where you would like to race. Tap here to change the racing track. Tap here to change the racing track. Tap here, race at night. Expect thrills, expect spills, expect excitement. Ready, steady, go! And they're off. Over you go! You cleared it.
Dog.
Can you say it too?
Dog.
You did word magic. You made a word. Over the hurdle you go. Whoa!
Fog.
Can you say it too?
Fog.
Oh, no, you can't see. Rub away the fog to keep racing. You did word magic. You made a word. Over the hurdle you go. Wow!
Cob.
Can you say it too?
Cob.
You did word magic. You made a word. Can Alphablock O go the extra mile? You made it to the finish. But who has won? How exciting!